Good morning, everyone. Welcome lower back to Selenium Crypto. Hope you're all doing amazing. Hope you're having a brilliant weekend. And welcome to this new video here on Ripple and XRP. We're going to do a brief replace heading into subsequent week. Obviously, within the weekend, we have not gotten any new basics or news coming in regarding Ripple. The remaining information that we had obviously became a mixture of Buddhist marketplace instances, that is information right now, and of path the XRP ETF application that they mentioned it. I mean, that does not in reality imply something, but the market bear in mind that as bullish, and given that, then we have broken above this stage here at 2.7. Yesterday we did now, not genuinely had any movement. I imply you can see we are without a doubt locating some stability on top of the extent, right? So kind of main degree is among 2.7 and a couple of 0.55. So finding balance on pinnacle of that, it is brilliant. However, I do think finding balance form of in the weekend is always much less sincere than finding balance within the week. So what I instructed you the day before today, as nicely, I suggest, what we want to look proper now, and that is going to be the principal test for XRP, is that, well, are we able to surely keep this level? And when the volume goes to increase, so while buying and selling interest will increase and establishments and large traders and retail comes returned in, which they preserve over the route of the weekends. But to a lesser extent, volume is down 51% as an example. And extent is down from the highs, right here, from 9.5 to 3.8. That's a decrease of about 60% proper. So the quantity properly 60, 70, something like that. I don't know, brief maths. So the quantity is down lots and the charge short has remained there. But like I stated, if the rate is able to stay on pinnacle of a stage with quantity, it really is dropping down. That does not truly say something. We need to look what happens when the volume is going up. So brief term, it really seems like these days we're going to get a few bearish momentum that's viable. Can be pretty volatile, and given the extent across the market, it is no longer simplest for XRP. However, given that the quantity across the marketplace could be very low, we are going to get a whole lot of volatility, and that's pleasant. I suggest, like I stated, we talked the day prior to this approximately the fact that I did assume it became maximum likely that XRP could check this level proper right here. And then particularly around 2.65, I would say 2.65 is right now type of the culmination point where all of the EMAs come together, and in which you can also see the 382 VIP on the 4-hour time frame. However, also at the 12 and the 12-hour time frame, and the each day time frame, that stage at 265 and a couple of 26, is technically the maximum important stage. So the main query is, all right, properly, do you think the breakouts we were given on the end of closing week, is a real breakout or no longer? And that is also something you need to reflect on, consideration on yourself, all right? If you think it is a real breakout, and I assume maximum of you'll think it's a real breakout due to the fact, manifestly, I suggest, in case you watch these videos, you've got a piece of a positive bias for XRP. However, surely reflect on consideration on it. So, proper, we broke out because the XRP ETF changed into recounted the utility. Does that without a doubt say that a lot, approximately the Ripple CC case? I, for my part, do suppose so, all right? So that is why I suppose it's most possibly that we are able to retest this level, but that we will be capable of honestly discover some stability with higher quantity, and that we can be capable of keep a breakout and get a pass into that location at $2.95 and $3. So that is what I assume is most probable. However, I will no longer be trading this. I think it is too unsure for that, given the general market circumstances proper now, and outdoor of that it is no longer a sure, proper, and most of you realize that these videos, essentially, in case you're doing evaluation, it is always probabilities. So I think given the circular that we had, given the breakout and given what I anticipate from the markets, which is also still leaning bullish, quick time period, I would say that is maximum probable. But be privy to the importance of 2.65. If we do not get any energy from 265 like later on these days or tomorrow morning, just recognize that it is a terrible sign, and I'll preserve you, signal you could get that this will be invalidated and that will drop backpedal, which is an opportunity. But like I stated, that is my prediction. If we do cave in, I became wrong, and I'll be again with a new replace actual quickly. However, those are my mind. Thank you for watching. Have a splendid Sunday and bye.